What if Alfred Nobel never invented dynamite in 1867? The Suez Canal construction would have completely failed. Thousands of workers would be trapped for decades, desperately trying to blast through solid rock using primitive black powder. The American Transcontinental Railroad would never exist. Without dynamite to carve through mountains, westward expansion stops dead. The country remains permanently divided, east from west. But it gets worse. Modern mining becomes impossible. No coal means no industrial revolution. No precious metals means no electronics. No raw materials means no skyscrapers. Without controlled explosions, there are no tunnels through mountains, no deep foundations for large buildings. Here's the shocking truth. Virtually every piece of modern infrastructure depends on dynamite's controlled destruction. Without it, humanity would still be stuck at surface level, unable to dig deep or build high.